Welcome to this beautiful family home in Brooklyn where we did a full gut renovation on the back part of the house. We totally transformed the kitchen, bathroom, and pantry. The client wanted a custom colored kitchen, which ended up being this beautiful emerald green color. Together with neutral light reflecting backsplash tile, the maple interior, and the brushed gold hardware, we brought our client's vision perfectly to life. We replaced these old double-hung windows by modern and thin-frame casement windows, bringing more light inside the space and making it appear bigger. Another wish the client had was to have more storage space, so we turned this room into a walk-in pantry. The bathroom had a big transformation with a shower conversion. We carried the client's unique style into the bathroom by playing with colors, patterns, and textures. We loved implementing all these different colors into this project. We hope you loved it as much as we did. Start a new chapter with us.